Alright, we will solve the following exercise. The exercise is a number 2.16 by drawing sketches of the vectors displaying y. U plus the summatory of b plus w equals the summatory of u plus b plus w. Well, as you can see right here, what I have, or what we have, is just summatory of vectors. There is usually no necessity for us to explain why this is equal to this, since everything is like in a summatory of vectors, as I just said. That is called an axiom. It's something that does not need a proof, because everything knows that this is real. Although we can actually create some different vectors for us to prove that this is true. So for example, I'm going to call this vector u. So it is going to be u. I'm going to call this vector v. And finally, I'm going to call, for example, this vector w. Alright, taking into account the hierarchy of the summatory of between unknowns within an equation, the first thing that we have to do is the operation that is between the parentheses. So what I'm going to do is to create the summatory of b plus w. Alright, so for example, I'm going to copy this, paste, copy this, paste, and finally this, copy, paste. I'm going to change the colors for us to be sure that we are talking about the same vector. And right here I'm going to use, for example, green. Alright, so the summatory between v and w is going to be this one. Remember, the rule that we have to meet is that the tail must be touching the head, and then the result will be the connection between these two, like this. But this generated vector is going to be created the other way around. The head must be touching the head and the tail the tail. Sorry. Alright, so this is going to be my u plus v, w plus v. Alright, and this is going to be, I'm going to add this vector u. So copy and paste. And then I'm going to, as I just said, add this vector. And the result is going to be this vector right here. Alright, now we have created our vectors w, v, w plus b. Right here I have as well w plus b. Right here I have u. And this is the answer of u plus w plus b. Sorry, w plus b. Alright, now we're going to do the other part of the equation. So u plus b. Right, so u copy, paste, plus b, copy and paste. I'm going to delete this, and the answer is going to be this vector. So right here I have u, v, u plus v. Then with respect of this vector, I'm going to add, I'm going to add copy, paste, w. So copy, paste with respect of this, and the answer will be u plus v plus w. And for us to be sure that we are talking about the same vector, I'm going to take this vector, copy, paste, and eliminate. Yep. And as you can see, it is the same answer. All right. So right here I have u plus b, right here I have w, and finally right here I have u plus b plus w. This vector is the same as this one. It has the same direction, the same magnitude, and that is actually the two principal properties of this kind of exercises, of vectors actually. That would be all, guys. We've explained why this is equal to this and why this is equal to this. This is how this exercise could be solved.